Welcome to TOYZONE'S product features and assembly series. Congratulations on your purchase of TOYZONE'S My Fair Horse Magic Car, true childhood companion. The mechanical car that moves forward just by turning the steering wheel left and right. No pedals, no gears, no electricity. This magic car can hold up to 70 kilograms, so parents and elders can ride too. In this video, we will take you through an easy step-by-step assembly process so you can have endless riding fun in no time at all. First, please read the assembly instructions printed on the box. The assembly must only be completed with adult supervision. Let's get started. Here is our product box. Inside the product box, you'll find these parts and a hex key. First, guide the horse face rod through the head base and then the front cavity of the main body. Now attach the head using the provided nut and washer with the hex key. It is critical to tighten the nut as much as possible. Make sure the head of the horse should be faced forward and line up with the small front wheel. And now for the finishing touch. Attach the backrest to the ready-to-use horse magic car. Perfect! Your magic car is ready! Enjoy the wonderful ride! Thank you for choosing TOYZONE. Visit our website for more products and exclusive offers.